good day po sa inyo lahat. For today's video po, i-share ko naman yung recipe ko ng red velvet na brookies. Ito po ay dahil sa maraming feedback na natanggap ko dun sa aking brookies na recipe. Yung mga gumawa po at nagbenta, marami silang natanggap na orders dahil maraming nasarapan. So ngayon, i-share ko sa inyo yung red velvet na brookies ko para po magkaroon pa kayo ng mas maraming variety na ibebenta.
In the mirror on the restroom door, voices in her head that mirror what she's heard before. All the things they said to hold her back, they never seem to leave her head and tend to keep her mind at war.
Next step, gagamit ako ng 2 pirasong malaking itlog. Ito yung jumbo size.
Jet planes in the night sky with you, getting high in the sunrise with you, getting through all the bad times with you. I wasn't missing a thing, no two, and I wish that I could do this. Time moves on, and now you're gone. Oh, if only I could build a time machine, I'd come and get you.
Softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. Told me you don't really do commitment, trust me, consider your message received. When you said you couldn't take us too seriously, I must admit I was relieved, 'cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. So much attention, and when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look flowers in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Yeah, we can still have fun for now.